Solved problems. Assorted missing amounts in income statement and balance sheet. Problem 1. The following relates to the financial position of an enterprise. Determine the unknown accounting elements. Case 1, Case 2, Case 3, Case 4, Case 5. Assets. Case 1. Assets 175,000. Liabilities dash owner's equity 85,000. The liabilities is equal to 175 minus 85,000, 90,000. Case 2. Assets 450,000. Liabilities 200,000. Owner's equity dash. Owner's equity is equal to assets minus liabilities 450,000 minus 200,000. Owner's equity is equal to 250,000. Case 3. Assets dash liabilities 110,000. Owner's equity 180,000. Case 3. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity 110,000 plus 180,000. Assets is equal to 290,000 in the case 3. Case 4. Assets 380,000. Liabilities dash owner's equity nil. Liabilities is equal to assets plus owner's equity 380,000 plus 0. So total liabilities is equal to 380,000 in case of case 4. Case 5. Assets 520,000. Liabilities 360,000. Owner's equity dash. Owner's equity is equal to assets minus liabilities 520,000 minus 360,000. 160,000 is the owner's equity in case of case 5. Next problem. How much is the total assets? Estimated uncollectible accounts 1,000. Cash in bank 30,000. Salaries payable 15,000. Office equipment 90,000. Accumulated depreciation of office equipment 5,000. She capital 1 million. Supplies inventory 15,000. Notes receivable 60,000. Petty cash fund 2,000. Accounts payable 10,000. Accounts receivable 80,000. Prepaid insurance 20,000. Solution. Total assets. Current assets. Petty cash fund 2,000. Cash in bank 30,000. Accounts receivable 80,000. Less estimated uncollectible amounts 1,000. Net accounts receivable 79,000. Notes receivable 60,000. Prepaid insurance 20,000. Supplies inventory 15,000. Total current assets 206,000. Office equipment 90,000. Minus accumulated depreciation 5,000. Net office equipment 85,000. Total fixed assets 85,000. Total assets 291,000. 206,000 current assets plus 85,000 fixed assets. Total 291,000 total assets. Next problem. Extract the basic accounting equation. Accounts receivable 120,000. Accumulated depreciation furniture and fixtures 60,000. Supplies expense 15,000. Marina capital beginning 212,000. Notes payable 50,000. Marina drawing 30,000. Cash on hand 80,000. Professional income 130,000. Estimated uncollectible accounts 3,000. Furniture and fixtures 180,000. Depreciation expense 30,000. Solution. Accounting equation. Assets, liabilities, owner's equity. Accounts receivable 120,000 asset. Accumulated depreciation asset minus 60,000. Sales, supplies expense 15,000. Owner's equity minus. Marina capital beginning 212,000. Owner's equity. Notes payable 50,000 is a liability. Marina drawings 30,000 less in the owner's equity. Cash on hand 80,000 asset. Personal income 130,000 is included in the owner's equity. Estimated uncollectible accounts 3,000 minus in assets column. Furniture and fixtures 180,000 is an asset. Depreciation expense 30,000 minus in the owner's equity column. Total assets 317,000. Total liabilities 50,000. Owner's equity 267. Accounting equation is equal to assets is equal to liabilities owner's equity. 317,000 is equal to 50,000 plus 267,000. Accounting equation. Total assets 317,000. Liabilities plus owner's equity 317,000. Next problem. Total revenue how much? Abra capital 7,477,128. Unearned rent income 34,775. rent income 858,919, utilities expense 73,893, interest income 7591, accrued interest income 8,747, miscellaneous income 75,916. Solution: rent income 858,919, interest income 7591, miscellaneous income 75,916. Total revenue 942 to 426. Total revenue 942,426. Next problem. How much is the profit or loss from operations? Professional income 150,000, depreciation expense 8,000, accrued taxes and licenses 10,000, repairs and maintenance 9,000, estimated uncollected amount 6,000, employee benefits 35,000, salaries and wages 110,000, uncollectible accounts 15,000. Solution: professional income 150,000, employee benefits less 35,000, salaries and wages less 110,000, profit from operations 5,000. Next problem. If owner's equity beginning was 87,000, how much would be the owner's equity at the end? Profit 11,600, withdrawal 19,000, additional investment 30,000. Solution: owner's equity in the beginning 87,000, less withdrawal 19,000, add additional investment 30,000, add profit 11,600. To owner's equity at the closing of the year 109,600, 109,600. Next problem. Extract the basic accounting equation. U capital 383,000, prepaid expense 18,000, supplies inventory 15,000, U drawing 20,000, accounts payable 90,000, accounts receivable 150,000, cash in bank 280,000, accrued rent expense 10,000. Solution: accounting equation: assets, liabilities, owner's equity. U capital 383,000, owner's equity. Prepaid expenses 18,000, asset. Supplies inventory 15,000, asset. U drawing 20,000 minus owner's equity. Accounts payable liability 90,000, accounts receivable 150,000 is an asset. Cash in bank asset 280,000. Accrued rent expense 10,000, liability. Accounting equation is equal to assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Total assets 463,000, total liabilities 100,000, total owner's equity 363,000. Accounting equation is equal to assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Accounting equation is equal to 463,000 is equal to 100,000 plus 363,000. Accounting equation is equal to total assets 463,000 is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity 463,000. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.